Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you? Magluto ako nung napulot ko na pasta. Lagay ko tong garlic, meron na yung sibuyas. Lagyan ko ng patis. Oyster sauce, chili sauce, sweet soy sauce, soy sauce. Another sweet soy sauce stick. Ketchup.
And you can still ask the basic questions. Okay, Google, what's the weather like in New York City?
Gamit ko.
But Google has also made their image creating tool.
Ito yung magiging sauce natin. Lalagay ako ng green pepper. Red pepper. Nakita ko to dun sa may sister-in-law ko sa Singapore. Kinain namin to. Ang sobrang sarap kaya ginaya ko. Natin ang pastang napulot. Bismillah.
As you can see, we
Meron
have
akong saging dito.
screenshot or access your assistant, play media, show notifications,
Sa
or
coconut
open
oil.
any app you want. If we tap here, we can open any of the apps we have installed in our phone. As you can see,
Ayan.
but I can't seem to. If you enable notification history. Now that being said, let's take a break from the main settings page and access the quick settings page. So if we scroll once and twice, we can see the different toggles, which is going to let you know that quick actions need to be known. The problem is that, as you can see, the tiles that contain the quick actions
May roti john din kami. Roti john. Roti john.
Not only all of the tiles.
Saging. Parang maruya yan. Put the coriander. Luto na siya. Hintayin na lang namin mag-azan. Ayan, roti john. Parang banana, maruya, ganyan. Ayan. We have the prune juice. Ang sarap. Ayan lang ang pagkain namin. Ang sarap ng roti john namin, no? Sausaw mo sa, ayun, no, sa ketchup. Saging din. Sobrang sarap.
So good. So good.